And here we go, guys. 10 likes, 60 views. I'm so popular, and I'm kidding, of course, but still I'm really happy. And I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. And today we are talking about the next thing, the next part of the GTM strategy, and this is competitor analysis. So guys, the essential thing that every business needs, because we always trying to compete with each other. We always need someone to push us through the limits, and this is our competitors. And if you know correctly who is your competitor and you know their weaknesses and strengths, then you're in the right place. Then you know where to move and how to move. And today we will talk more about how to do this essential research. I will tell you why it's important, how it would benefit you, and share my own template that I'm using, and of course the tools that really helps me to get a lot of insights, a lot of ideas how I should proceed further with my marketing activities with different marketing channels. So guys, this is Bro's Kitchen, I am Nazar, and we are cooking. So, why competitor research is essential? I would break down it into 3 parts. The first one, KPIs and dry measurement. How you would know that you're performing good. How you would know that you have the best numbers in your social medias, the best marketing numbers in your paid ads, etc. To have information about this, you need to compare yourself. And of course, you would do it with your competitors. You need to compare yourself to your competitor and realize, are you doing okay? Or there is a plenty room for improvement. So with this thing, you would understand, am I doing okay with my paid ads, or my competitor have better creatives? Am I okay with my social media activity? Am I have enough likes, views, or my competitors have better results? So this is the first part. The second part, you would have a ton of different insights on what to do and how to do this. Because when you're checking what are your competitors doing, you would see their weaknesses and their strengths. And what does it mean? That you're not taking the part of their weaknesses to yourself and applying them. You're taking only strengths and using them for your marketing strategy, which means you're doing only the effective parts with your social media, with your paid ads, with your LinkedIn, with your blog, etc. Which is cool. And guys, the third part, actually, maybe it's a little bit tricky, but still. And also, I know that Picasso have some quote about this. Picasso said, "Good artists borrow, great artists steal." So here is the same story. What I'm always telling to my clients, my partners that I'm working with, take some part from your competitor, do it a little bit better and in your own way, and that's enough. That's enough for your success. Just, it's important to be consistent. But still, it's the perfect way how you could do great marketing things without a huge effort. So that's it, guys. And now we are going to my template. Now I would watch into my PC and we would carefully check all the parts that I have in my template, and I'll explain why they're important, why they're useful, how to find this information, and how to apply it. So for this, I'm using my research, one of the research that I made recently, really interesting one. However, I would blur all the clients because maybe they could find me, kick my ass, they could beat me, so I should be careful here. So let's go guys. As you can see, in the first columns, of course, we have name, website, it's quite obvious. The next thing, traffic and channels. For me, it's really important to understand the amount of traffic that my competitors have. And of course, I'm always checking what is the channels. Direct, search, referrals, display ads, social, email. I need to understand where they are getting these users. It's important. But understand, okay, this guy is working perfectly with social medias. It would be my reference. This guy is working perfectly with paid ads. Of course, I would copy them. This guy is getting nice amount of traffic from email marketing. I should check it. So that's how it works. After this, I'm checking what are the countries, where they get the most amount of traffics, because sometimes these competitors could be irrelevant if they have traffic from irrelevant countries, that I'm not working with. And the next part, main features. Really important thing, how it would benefit you. First of all, you would understand your unique selling point, because for you, it's really important to differentiate yourself and put this information into your marketing messaging on your website, paid ads, social medias, etc. So in this topic, in this column, I'm trying to realize what are the main features that my competitors have and how they trying to differentiate themselves. Maybe I already have them, maybe I'm missing something, maybe I could find out what works the best, what helps the specific competitor convert their users into customers. Also, at the end, I'll share the tools that I'm using to find out this useful information. At the next part, we are going to paid ads. I think this is the most cool part which is possible to find out from your competitors. So what does it mean? Imagine you have a competitor that actively works with paid ads. They're running the advertisement for a long time. So what does it mean? First of all, they have a good result. They have a positive ROI, which means that you could have the similar results by launching the ads, by investing the money and getting more from it. So in this case, we have the opportunity to check our competitors' advertisement in Google, in Facebook, and even in TikTok. Okay, not TikTok, TikTok, that's it, in TikTok. And thanks to this information, I could find out what are the creatives that they're using for advertisement, for how long they're launching it, and of course, are they have a good results. Of course, you could access this information completely for free. Completely. At the end, I'll share these links with you, of course. After this, I'm going to marketing channels. In this column, I'm just trying to to make a conclusion regarding the main marketing channels that they're using for themselves. So for some of the competitor, it could be blog, Facebook, Twitter, and paid ads. For others, it could be LinkedIn, YouTube. Later, the important part, I'm checking the pricing. Also essential stuff, because I need to find out, are they have the free trial, a freemium version, what is their pricing, etc. Because this is quite huge decision maker on the deal, on the conversion rate. And in the end, I'm writing the short conclusion. The short conclusion that would help me in future not check all the table, but just go to conclusion and find out, okay, this competitor works great with this and this channel, they have good paid ads, they have success with LinkedIn, etc., etc. Thanks to this conclusion, I could do it really fast without huge efforts and not wasting my time. And now some of you could ask me, oh, Nazar, but I think I don't have competitors. I mean, like, I have a blue ocean. I have no one to compete with. I'll give you the answer, guys. Well, first of all, how to find your competitors. I'm doing it through a Google search, the easiest way by writing my relevant keywords. For example, I have a marketing agency, or I have the, some consultancy, or it's some of the SaaS projects. I'm always trying to Google and find at least competitors that are competing with me for the same space. I'm not talking that they need to have the same offer, but they're competing for the same space on the internet with me. What does it mean? You're, for example, publishing your advertisement. Another competitor have their advertisement, the similar one, for the same keyword. It means this is your competitor. The another one have the same article that you would like to create. Maybe you could have in other services, in other products. For example, one competitor could have a service, another one the product. But at the end, you're competing for the same space on the internet. So for you, it's really important to find out these guys, these guys that you could steal, do better things, etc., etc. So I hope you understand my logic here. And now let's go to the tools, guys. As I promised, I think the tools would be the most interesting part. So the first two, yeah, regarding the paid ads. So here is the ads transparency something from Google, how it helps you. You could just find out, are other websites running their advertisement in Google? So the next thing, the really similar thing, but from Facebook, and it calls Facebook Ads Library. Facebook Ads Library is the perfect thing for inspiration, insights, ideas, like a lot of stuff, to be honest. I spending a lot of time here all the time. So you just choosing all ads, yeah, for example, in all locations. It could be specifically for you in United States, UK, etc. I'm choosing ad category all ads and searching by keyword or advertiser. So if you have the exact competitor, you're just writing their name and that's it. You could find their creatives, yeah, the exact advertisement that they're running, and also you could find out for how long they're running these ads. Amazing, amazing. I know guys. And also you could find by keywords. For example, some of the competitors using your keyword, or even not competitors, but they're trying to provide or compete with you for the same audience. So you're just searching by keyword like AI automation, automation tools, task manager, whatever it is, like relevant to your offer, service, etc. That's it, guys. And now the same stuff is possible to do with TikTok, with TikTok ads. Also, amazing opportunity to find out what videos works the best, how you could create these viral hooks, you know, how you could increase the retention rate for your advertisement. Isn't it perfect? Of course, guys. I know. And now we are going to another very cool tool that helps me in terms of SEO. You need to pay for it, but still it worth every penny. Or in my case, it would be every grivnya, because I'm from Ukraine, guys. Yeah, it would worth every grivnya, trust me. So how it could help you? Imagine you have a competitor that you sure that they have big amount of traffic from Google search. How you could find out what are the exact places that are generating them all these users to their website. With Ahrefs, you could get answer on these questions. So and the last one where you could gather all these numbers about amount of traffic. Also, this is really approximate number. It's not 100% clear, you need to know this, but still it just give you the general understanding who's better, who has more traffic than other. And this is the similar web. They also giving you the information about the source of the traffic, amount of it, yeah, also regarding the countries, etc. So this is also really cool and useful tool. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it really useful for yourself. And of course, if you would have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll definitely answer on them. Subscribe to channel, press likes, connect with me on LinkedIn. What else to ask you? I don't know. I think enough for today. So guys, thanks a lot one more time, and see you. 10 likes next video. 10 likes next video.